Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, can you give it a thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel so they could come and check my channel out. Also, if you're big into trains and you love trains a lot, hey, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, if you can, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Tuesday, January 30th, 2024. Until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.